just gonna keep on doing this for a long while. Yep. Just keep doing it and doing it and doing it until we
That's enough.
stop. And then we're gonna put it like that, and then we're gonna put there. Then we're just gonna close it and put it in a ketchup box. Nice. Okay. Now we're gonna take the violin out, and I actually play it like a guitar.
But you're not supposed to do that. So put your shoulder to rest. Put your shoulder rest.
And then we're gonna put this thingy.
Make sure you don't put it backwards.
Or you're just gonna sit on a chair, get a chair, or you can come over here and just sit like this and go there. And then we're gonna go right here like this.
Is it backwards?
Nope. And then we're gonna just put it like that, and then you're gonna put it in here. And then you're gonna grab your bow. Daddy, I can do it without the page. And then now we're gonna go. And there we go. Bye bye. And see you next time on Nolan's Famous Videos.